Looking for a soft, fluffy, and delicious fruitcake that's packed with flavor in every bite? Then you have to try this vanilla fruitcake. First, let's prepare our dry fruits. Take 1 cup of mixed dry fruits in a bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of orange juice and mix everything really well. Let the dry fruits soak for about 10 minutes. While they're soaking, we can start preparing the cake batter. In a clean mixing bowl, take 2 egg whites. Beat the egg whites for about 1 minute until they start becoming light and foamy. Now gradually add 1/2 cup of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla as well and continue beating. We want to beat the egg whites until they become thick, glossy, and form stiff peaks. This step is really important because all that trapped air is going to help give our fruitcake a beautifully soft and fluffy texture. Once you reach stiff peaks, add 1/2 cup of oil and beat again until everything is nicely combined. If you enjoyed this vanilla fruitcake recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Now it's time to add the 2 egg yolks that we separated earlier. Add the yolks one at a time, beating after each addition. Don't add both together. Adding them one by one makes it easier to create a smooth and evenly mixed batter. And look at that texture already. Light, creamy, and beautiful. Next, place a strainer over the bowl because we're going to sift our dry ingredients directly into the batter. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. For some extra warmth and flavor, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now sift everything really well. Sifting helps remove any lumps and makes the dry ingredients lighter, which will give us a better cake texture. Now add 2 tablespoons of water to adjust the consistency. Our soaked dry fruits should be ready by now, so add them to the batter along with that delicious orange flavor. Gently fold everything together until the dry fruits are evenly distributed throughout the batter. And our vanilla fruitcake batter is ready. If you enjoyed this vanilla fruitcake recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more easy and delicious. Now take an 8-inch cake pan and lightly grease the inside with oil. Place a piece of baking paper at the bottom. This will make it much easier to remove the cake after baking. Pour all of that beautiful batter into the prepared pan. Give the pan a few gentle taps on the counter. This helps level the batter and releases any large air bubbles trapped inside. Place the cake into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool slightly in the pan before unmolding. Then gently remove it from the pan. Peel away the baking paper and let it cool before slicing. And here is our homemade vanilla fruitcake. Beautifully golden outside, soft and fluffy inside, with delicious pieces of fruit in every slice. The combination of vanilla, orange, cinnamon, and cardamom gives this simple cake such a wonderful aroma and flavor. Slice it up and serve it with tea, coffee, or simply enjoy it on its own. If you enjoyed this vanilla fruitcake recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.